ask for stickers. You know, this is actually our first session, no? So on our in a normal thing, no, every first session has this a lot of problem, installation, internet issue. So don't worry. So let's just move on while waiting. I'm going to ask now because I need you to download or still the same. What's going on? When I click extract, it's moving. So maybe you ask, they are using 28, already 23 is almost there. What we can produce in 28 can be produced. It is unbelievable. Yeah, for marketing.
I press system.
And change color. Then, okay. Now. Okay. Okay, properties palette. A while ago, I told you that this is the type selector, and just below, okay, if I'm going to select this element, okay, and if I'm going to check here everything, this is the properties palette, no? Everything related to this wall. Okay, one best thing that you can check here, for example, the dimensions, no? The length, you have here the length, the area, the volume, you don't even need to compute, no? It's already there. So this wall is 8.3. Okay, let me try to extend this one, no? I just click and drag, no? So why did I do that? It's like I just want you to tell, no, that this is not just a text there, no. It refers to this one. Now the length of this wall is changed. So the area will update as well, of course, and the volume, no. Let's say you need to know the volume. You can just simply check here, volume of concrete, excluding the hollow blocks, the area, and so on. No? So how easy is that? No? Unlike AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, you have to do it manually. What else? Like for the door, for example, okay, what else we can see here? We can check the head height, the height of the door. Okay, what else? The door mark, no? So when we are drawing something, no, we are marking the door. So you can change this one, for example, B1. I just click this door mark and double click B1. So can be like that, no? Properties palette. Again. This Word file is actually available in the folder which I gave you, okay, inside Revit Architectural Manual. You have my flash, right? Actually, this folder, sir, this folder, look at the board, look at the screen. The Revit Architectural folder, I believe is also there. Can you see it? Check now. I need you to have a copy of this entire folder. There inside the folder, there are how many folders? Like no, Revit architecture. Yeah. So for the AutoCAD, actually, no, I'm not the one who will teach you that one. It's a different. So probably my exercise fast there is not appropriate to his way of teaching. Okay, project browser. Project browser. So this is a properties, no? This is the properties, and this is our project browser. For the project browser, it's like the, you know, it can be compared to the table of contents of a book. No? So when you open the table of contents, you will see everything related to the book, no? The pages and so on. So it's like this, no? So you can find all the views, okay, all the 3D views actually. Okay, even some sections. Okay. Through the main stair. What is the model that you're trying to do? No? So let me just go back to one entry level again. Customizing the project.